is mild right now. I'm going to show you some really pretty shots of all the sunshine. Right now, 51 degrees, so we'll likely see upper 40s to low 50s through about 7 o'clock. We'll get to 60 by 8 o'clock this morning, 10 degrees warmer by 10, and then we're in the low to mid 80s between 2 and 4. It is a warm one. Now, we're starting off with a lot of sunshine here in Denver. We'll get a few more clouds developing this afternoon, but when you look at the overall pattern, it is going to stay really warm through Memorial Day. A few more late day thunderstorms possible today. Some of the strongest weather that we could see would be closer to Lyman, stretching east from there. So a lot of what we're going to see here along I-25, especially right in town, will be pretty minor and pretty isolated. Live look from our Viera wireless camera there in Lyman, and again, we're under a little bit of cloud cover. Pretty shot, though, from Loveland, mostly sunny skies. Here's a look at some of those clouds. You can see well off to the east and even a few lingering showers down to the southeast. We'll see sunshine here in town, and that marginal risk for severe weather does just clip Fort Collins. Yesterday, you had a pretty rough afternoon, and we could get a little more small hail, heavy rain, some wind. It'll be through parts of Larimer and Weld County, stretching east, and then across the far eastern plains by late afternoon, early evening. So as skies clear out across the plains, we'll see a nice warm-up. Should be at about 67 degrees by 9:30. We'll get into the 70s by lunch, low 80s by 2 o'clock, and it'll be at that point that we'll start to see some clouds building in the mountains. One or two of those storms roll east, and again, you can see a little of that activity up near Fort Collins. Pretty isolated, though, and it's not going to last long. Skies will then clear out from there. Some of our stronger storms by tonight, by about 7 o'clock, again from Lyman east and out toward Burlington, so that I-70 drive could get a little dicey heading into Kansas. We'll be in the 50s and even 60s early Thursday morning. Warmer and drier tomorrow. We'll see mid 80s on Thursday. Fewer storms expected tomorrow. It's going to get pretty darn hot. By Friday, we're at 87 degrees. Very summer-like conditions as we head into the weekend. So for those of you traveling, as far as leaving on Friday, it looks good statewide. Weather should not be an issue. In fact, Sunday, same scenario. Unless you drive a beater like me, your car might conk out. We'll be at about 90 degrees on Saturday, and then a few more storms possible, Jace, Sunday and Monday.
Yeah.